Hi there, Elaine here with WTI. I have found a quality invitation envelope that I have come to love. I really love the quality of these brown envelopes. They're not thin and flimsy like others. It's a really good weight, and writing on them is smooth and feels so nice. I like to make my own cards, so this brown envelope fits my 5.5 inches by 4 inches cards just perfectly. I mean, who doesn't love the peel-off seals for envelopes? Honestly, it's the best invention. I appreciate the sturdy box these envelopes come in because I usually store my pre-cut cards in it too. It's a great way to keep your cards safe and ready for the invitation or thank you note. So if you're a letter writing enthusiast like I am, or maybe you have an invitation that you have to send out to 120 people, these brown envelopes are going to be great for that purpose. I enjoy using these brown envelopes. I love the natural color, and I know you will too, but that's just my point of view.